Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about care of ventilator patient. Shall we study? Care of a patient on a ventilator involves intensive monitoring to maintain a patent airway, prevent infections, especially ventilator associated pneumonia, that is VAP, and ensure hemodynamic stability. The main key interventions include elevating the head of the bed, meticulous oral hygiene, regular suctioning, sedation management, and routine assessment of ventilator settings. The key aspects of ventilator care, that is airway management and safety. In airway management and safety, the suctioning is the important. The suction is performed only as needed to remove excess secretions using sterile techniques. And next, to positioning. Frequently check for endotracheal tube position at the lip line and also oral care. Provide antiseptic oral care multiple times daily to reduce bacterial growth and prevent VAP. And also safety backup. Ensure a bag wall mask, that is ambu bag, is available at the bedside at all times. And also secondly, preventive care of monitoring. In that, positioning is important. Elevate the head of the bed to 30 degrees to 45 degrees to prevent aspiration. And next, it is monitoring. Constantly check oxygen saturation, that is SpO2, blood pressure, respiration rate, and breath sounds. And next, go for skin integrity. Perform regular turning and repositioning to prevent pressure sores or pressure ulcers. And next, go for ventilator settings. Verify that ventilator settings match the physician orders to prevent lung injury. And also you should give support. Provide emotional support as patient may experience high anxiety and confusion. And also nutrition. Provide early eternal nutrition via feeding tubes to maintain strength. Thank you.